In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door sensor on your 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corolla. It's a very easy process, only takes 5 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. Now you will need a Torx bit screwdriver, one that looks like this, Torx, okay? The T-30 size, that's the size you want, T-30, just like that. Don't get anything else, just get this exact same one. And that's the only tool we need for this job. So get that screwdriver, open up the door, right there, that's where the door sensor is. It's held in place by just one screw, which is where we'll use the screwdriver. Get the screw off. Now, you may have to wiggle the door sensor a little bit, because it's probably going to be just stuck over there over time, right? But it'll come out, right? Once it's out, now this is where the slightly tricky part is, because the wire over there that's holding the door sensor in place, it's not very long. So, and you don't want the electrical connector to just go back in the body once you let it go. So hold it the way I'm doing it and then squeeze the electrical connector right where I'm doing it. So hold the door sensor with one hand, get it out. Now don't let go of the electrical connector, right? The door sensor is just one piece, looks like that. Get the new one. Now align it over there, and only goes in one way, okay? So get the new door sensor, align it that way, and then slide it in, make sure it clicks. Now you can let it go. Now let's put the door sensor back in its place, and now simply put the screw back in, tighten it, and we're done. And now let's move on to the rear side door. Same position, that's where it is. Again, it's the exact same process as the front door, but I'm just going to show you just to show that it's the same process. So take the screw off, get the sensor off. Again, make sure you don't let go of the electrical connector over there, right? You don't want to lose the electrical connector inside the body, right? So you just hold on to it with one hand, get the new door sensor back in its place, put it back, put the screw back, tighten it, and that is pretty much it. See how easy the whole job was?